Knowledge, the means of guidance and spiritual elevation. Introduction. The significance and necessity of knowledge. Knowledge is the sole catalyst for human development, moral purity, and spiritual ascension. It is not merely a collection of data or information. Rather, it is a light that illuminates the human soul and introduces it to the ultimate realities of the universe. Numerous verses of the Holy Quran testify that Allah the Almighty established knowledge as the primary foundation for humanity's guidance. 1. The comprehensiveness of prophetic knowledge. In the Holy Quran, Allah states regarding the knowledge of the Holy Prophet that he taught him everything that he did not know before. This divine bestowal is a vast ocean encompassing the events of the past and the secrets of the future. Allah did not leave any trace of unawareness in the blessed life of the Prophet. His knowledge spans from the physical world to the hidden spiritual realms, serving as a beacon of light for the entire Ummah. 2. The inseparable link between knowledge and guidance. According to Quranic teachings, true knowledge is that which leads a person toward the path of guidance. If knowledge fails to provide a person with the recognition of their Creator and does not lead them to the straight path, Sirat al-Mustaqim, it cannot be classified as beneficial knowledge. Ilm al-Nafi. Allah revealed the Quran based on His special knowledge, making it detailed and clear so that it may serve as guidance and mercy for the believers. 3. Knowledge as a divine mercy. The Quran describes knowledge as a mercy. This mercy creates balance in a person's thoughts and actions. When knowledge descends into the heart, it refines one's character and makes them beneficial to society. This divine mercy elevates an individual from the depths of worldly triviality to the heights of spiritual excellence. 4. The quest and struggle for attaining knowledge. Knowledge is never acquired through passivity. It requires an intense yearning and active pursuit. It is the Sunnah, tradition, of the prophets to travel and seek out those with expertise to gain wisdom. Regardless of one's status, approaching a scholar to learn does not diminish one's dignity. Rather, it elevates one's spiritual rank. Stepping out in the pursuit of knowledge is equivalent to walking in the path of Allah. Conclusion. To illuminate our lives with the light of knowledge, we must strengthen our connection with the Quran and Sunnah. True success is only possible when our knowledge brings us closer to Allah and instills humility in our actions. May Allah grant us the ability to be sincere seekers of knowledge and enable us to benefit from its true blessings. Ameen. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe Spiritual Sparks for more Islamic videos.